Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Bluetooth device to Windows 10. So in the search, type in Blue, click on Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Click on Next, Bluetooth. Make sure it's in pairing mode, the item you're trying to pair up. Let's do a search. Now we're connected. So it's just that simple. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, Patreons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. Your name can be here too. Link below.